How's it going, guys? Joey Robinson, known as _Joey55 on Instagram. This is my 2014 Yamaha Bolt. As you guys know, the cruiser scene is mostly stuck to Harleys, so I've been trying to get this thing accustomed to wheelies. We have a Dasani upswept pipe. We have the Legend 12-inch heavy-duty shocks. We have a Vance & Hines intake. Down to Drag Specialties risers with just a stock basic 1-inch Sportster bar on it. Have the oil kit from SS Custom Cycle that has been put together so the oil will stay in there when the bike is put at 12 o'clock. We have Bitwell pegs that SS Custom Cycle hooks me up with. The Chris Osmond bar bag that will keep literally everything that you can think of and more inside of it, including your license plate when you scrape it off. Yamaha genuine braided cables, the pink grips of course to keep it all fun and good luck. Other than that, she is bone stock. Make sure you subscribe to the RideTV YouTube channel and check out RideTV on Instagram. Thank you.